to put the lights.
Okay, you put the light.
And when there is the music, I will take a pause.
There's gonna be music.
Fuck it. When people are asking me, are you under influence? I'm like, no, darling, I am the influence. When you talk to that one person that really gets you, that really understands you, that's as funny as you. When guys like this, they do not leave you alone, you just do. And now they're scared and they're gone.